Well, hello, and we are here on a Thursday morning, and it is December. Who is we? Well, my name's Michelle. Heather's right over. Can I point the right way? There we go. Heather's right over by my side. And you know what? Even saying by my side, think of what that word means to know that you have people walking alongside you. I remember I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about years and years and years ago. I was thinking and I was observing how people either walked in front of another person or walked behind. And I thought, why don't people walk side by side? How much better it feels when you have people who are walking by your side. Guess what we're talking about today? It's along that lines. We're talking about collaboration. Now, if you stay for this whole 15 minutes, and we like to keep it really short because we really value your time, you're going to find out what collaboration means to us, but we really want to know what collaboration means to you too. So, talking about that collaboration and what we're doing. So many people are talking about collaboration. I am getting emails upon emails. Remember last month or 2 months ago when everybody was talking about burnout? Well, now I'm seeing collaboration. Well, we really want to touch on that subject. So we hope you stay with us for this 15 minutes. Or if you are watching us on the replay, really let us know your thoughts about how you feel about collaboration. Heather, I'll let you start. Do you have some things that you would like to talk about when it comes to collaboration?
I definitely do. So, before I really dig in, this is a collaboration. We're here talking with you, whoever the viewer is. If you're live, drop some comment and we can see that while we're talking here. If you're watching on the replay, also we monitor the comments and we're happy to respond to you. This is a conversation. And when we're talking about collaboration, you know, a lot of business coaches are using this as a buzzword right now. And it's a little bit frustrating to me because it's like talk, talk, talk. Where's the action step? Where do you find these collaborations? What do you actually do? How do you know if the collaborations that you are working on are actually working? How's that working for you, right? So, we wanted to let you know more about the project that we're working on and how it's working for the coaches who are collaborating on balanced health styles. And colloquially, we call them health style coaches. It's kind of fun, gives us a bit of a community, and community is so important. And we're going to be talking a lot about where we are, how you can if this resonates with you, how you can join health style coaches and start to raise your visibility.
True. I'm reading the book right now, Blue Ocean. I should have read it years ago, and there's that dumb should, but I'm reading it now. And the chapter, I think it was chapter 8 in there, was talking about creating trust, creating camaraderie, be able to listen to people. And that's one part of how I would define collaboration. But collaboration to me is not lining up with an influencer, is not saying, hey, I'm going to collaborate with you, but that just means behind the scenes. I'm not going to bring it forward so that people can see that we're actually working together. Collaboration, that's the biggest thing. What does it mean to you? When I see people say, sign up on a spreadsheet, here you go, let's see if you'll work together, I actually never see action taken after you sign up on the spreadsheet. Let me step back a little bit. My favorite thing that I ever learned in all of my PN2 classes, and that's precision nutrition if you are not a precision nutrition coach, is from Dom. And he said something along the lines, do it, show it. So when it comes to collaboration, I thought, why talk about it? Why don't we do it? So about a year ago, Heather and I thought of this platform, which is a website, to invite coaches to come and let's all work together. Because remember how I said at the beginning, walking side by side, when you can stand next to each other, you can actually create more momentum. So what do we do as coaches on this website called Balanced Health Styles? Well, we write recipes, we share articles, and maybe you've even seen some of our social media posts. Heather, do you have more to say about we are doing a lot of things on Balanced Health Styles.
Yeah, so the whole point is to help great coaches, well-loved coaches, credentialed coaches raise their visibility so more people can know who they are. So when that person is perhaps ready to make a change in their health and hire someone, that you'll be at top of mind. They will know exactly where to go and look to browse coaches, find someone who resonates with them, who has similar values, who perhaps eats the way they do, who perhaps works with people solving the problems that they have. They're able to browse a directory of coaches and find out more about them, read some articles that they've written, read some recipes that these coaches have prepared, and make a choice to hire someone. Or at the very least, if they're not ready to hire you, follow your social media. So it's just the more times that people see your name, the more they're like, oh, that person must be an expert. It's almost like familiarity. They're like, if I know their name, they must be someone, they must be credible. So what we're trying to do on social media and on the platform is just get your name out there, get your ideas out there, show your expertise in your area that you work with. I think that's kind of the point. There's, like you said, there's a lot of things going on at Balanced Health Styles. The articles are through the lens of deep health. We're trying to be very inclusive and bring more value to things that are not necessarily aesthetic, and bring more people in who are kind of not seeing themselves represented in contemporary fitness imagery. We're also doing some fun stuff with recipes that I'm not sure is being done anywhere else. Alongside nutritional labels, which represent macros, we're putting hand size portions. And a lot of these things are kind of done for you. We're SEOing all these articles so that you can be found when people do Google searches. This is the kind of collaboration that's going to get you more visible.
And I mentioned about influencers, and one of my jobs at Balanced Health Styles and for the coaches is to look at the trends and to kind of give, these are topics. If we write about these topics, this is what people are highly searching for. Along with that, I mentioned influencers. Everybody has seen the big old influencers talking about this, talking about that. It's getting old. It really seriously is getting old, because major companies are no longer wanting to align their brands with those bigger 200,000, 1 million followers. You know who they're wanting to listen to now is micro influencers. And who are micro influencers? Those are people with like 500 followers, with not that many. You don't have to have a ton of followers to become a micro influencer. Now, I'm just talking social media terms, but that's an expert in your field. Why are people now wanting to listen more to a micro influencer? Because we're relatable, because we're genuine, because we're transparent. People are starting to discern, and I am so thankful they are, that all those people with 100,000 or whatever the amount of followers are, they're not telling you the most genuine and transparent information. Heck, this morning I woke up and went, I should start doing reels. So what did I do? In my bathrobe, because that's the way it's going to be easy, I started bathrobe confessions. Maybe you saw the reel that was here. That's transparent. That's genuine. That's letting people in. And when we can work together, and was I talking about my own agenda? I was actually talking about a recipe that is going to be published today, that one of our collaborating coaches, a coach that I'm walking right alongside with. And, there is more joy when you know that you're working together than when you're working in competition. I don't know, Heather, if you have lots of thoughts about what it feels like when we look at our competition more as, when we look at them as our competition rather than our colleagues.
Yeah, one of the things that has been also aggravating me about building a business as an independent health coach online is that we're kind of siloed away from each other. Michelle likes to call it we're being lonely islands, and you don't want to be lonely. It's not fun, and you don't get the kind of feedback as when you're in a group and have multiple different perspectives. Um, we were talking about this the other day, and I was like, there's a little jingle, it's tickling the back of my head, and I had to go look it up. So I don't know, I just turned 50, so this was in my childhood, but back in the early 80s there was a show for kids called Contact, and it was called 3, 2, 1 Contact. And I was like, the jingle is in my head, and when I looked up the lyrics, it was so powerful. It says, contact is the secret. It's the moment when everything happens. Contact is the answer. It's the reason why everything happens. Let's make contact. And I'm not going to sing for you, but
we want you to, Heather. We want you to.
Contact is the reason, is the moment when everything happens.
Yay! That's real, because that's the coaches we are.
So anyways, and I was like, when people are talking about collaboration, that's when you're in contact with other people, that's where the rubber hits the road. That's where things start to happen. So if you're waiting for a sign, this is it. We're going to keep talking about it all the way through December. We would like, if this is resonating with you, get together with us. Message Michelle or I, DM this page. You can follow this page, Health Style Coaches, to make sure you don't miss anything. And if this is right for you and you just know it right now, we have a group called Health Style Coaches Group. We're going to drop the link in the comments. We have a lead page that you can give us your email right away and start getting the Get Visible Now kit and all the training and resources that you need to get started getting visible right now. We'll drop that link in the comment. No matter which way you go for getting in touch with us, make sure you leave your email, because when you leave your email with us by December 31st, you're going to be considered one of our foundational coaches, and we're going to have a badge that's called Hallmark Coaches. And when you're a Hallmark coach, you've registered with us by December 31st, there's going to be so many valuable benefits that are, some of them are reserved for what is going to become our premium membership offerings, and you're going to get it for a limited time, I think through at least halfway through next year, I think through June 1st, that you will have a featured profile page when you submit a recipe or an article. There may be discounts. There's going to be so many benefits for things that we haven't even thought of offering yet, that we're going to prioritize our Hallmark coaches. So that being said, Michelle, what else do you want to say? We're almost at time.
Yep, we are almost at time. And I just wanted to let you know, so there is nothing right now that costs anything. So when you join, and there will always be a free level. Do not think that you can't join us or you don't want to join us because there's a cost to it. There will always be a free level that will meet your need. Now, some coaches are in the growth or want to even expand even more. And so we need to offer more things. And so you'll see that there are going to be a certain level. But hey, I mean, being a Hallmark coach, that means you're going to get the benefit. And right now, everything is free. So if you're at all even thinking about joining, we'd love to see you be a part of Health Style Coaches. I'm just thinking of some of the things that some of the coaches have told us who are in our group. They're going out of the box and doing things that they've never done before. There are many coaches who have never even considered sharing a recipe, taking the photos, doing all of that stuff. And because we're all working together, they've actually done it. There are many coaches who have thought, maybe I need to write a blog, maybe I should write an article, have never done it. But because we're working together and we show you how to go about doing that, we help you along the way. This is not just do it and hand it in. We are collaborating. We have brainstorming sessions. We have topic storming sessions. We have let's work it together sessions. We believe in collaboration. We do it and we show it. So, hey, if you don't want to miss out on anything, make sure that you like our page. And like Heather said, message us, DM us, whoever you want to get a hold of us. We'll have those links too, so that you are able to be one of our Hallmark coaches and actually do the collaboration that everybody's talking about.
And get the benefit of it.
Exactly. Thank you, everybody. We will be back next week, Thursday at 11:30.